Hi there! In this video I would like to share with you some skills of participating in listing. What is listing and how to get profit from it? The process when a token is being listed for the first time in a new exchange is called listing, or the launch of the new token in other words. We recommend participating in Binance Listing through Scalp trading terminal. First of all, you should be aware of new listing from Binance Announcements Telegram channel. It's usually announced 2-4 hours before a new token is being listed. Let's imagine we are informed already and our task is to prepare properly for the process. The faster you react, the more profit you get. Opening the terminal, we should get rid of all extra windows and open a new tab where we will take part in listing itself. You should practice several times like that. First, if the time of listing is 11 p.m. for example, you reconnect the spot at 10:59. Wait for the movement in the order book, it's important. Then open instruments and in the spot section find a new token. It's better to copy it in advance into a clipboard to save your time, because at the first second after 11 p.m. the token is already been pumping. Our mission to make all these precautions as fast as we can to catch the good price. Then we switch to the selected token, it will appear there. Here we select the volume of position in dollars, it's important, and enter the long. As fast as we can. We see the pumping in action. Let's see how it looks. Now I was lucky enough to enter at a good price. Then I am changing the scale of the order book to see the participants. The bar is called the shots. We see how the token is being pumped. But usually the process is going much faster when a new token is being listed. Sometimes it takes 3 or 5 seconds and then the position is closed. I'm adding some lots as far as I see the participants. Lower part of the order book shows more resistance. In this part there are less participants. It means that more probably it's gonna be uptrend. Here we see some limit orders at the support level. A huge amount of limit orders is accumulating here as a support zone. It's a good sign for long. There is no stop loss as far as it's a spot order book. That's why I'm using this amount as a stop loss, because this limit order will close the biggest part of my position. Now I'm starting to fix position partially. %9 at the moment. I'm gradually replacing the limit orders higher to close position at better prices. $80 in a moment. I have already fixed 80% of my position. Finally, I closed the position as far as the initiative was undertaken by the sellers. Finally, I managed to get $72 from the listing. Be careful and fast. You should be aware of what is happening in order book. If there are a lot of limit orders under your price and the higher part of the order book is empty, it's a good sign for long positions. I hope it was useful information. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared for the C-Scalp Trading Terminal team.